You call. This is so crazy. Look at you. But you guys, this is so crazy. Wow. The snow is on knee length, you guys. This is so crazy. I've been looking at these people's balconies. They can't even open their door. Thank God. This is my balcony. So this is so crazy, you guys. And the previous snow haven't melted. So the new snow is on top of this old snow. Wow. Crazy winter. You want to go even more crazier? Summer. Because cold winters like this breeds horrible and hot summers. Wow. You can't even see the sky. It's so crazy out here. Wow.